We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off for the start of qualification match number 79 here on Jones Field number 1. Going from the far launch zone is Infrared for the Blue Alliance, joined by Dahlia Engineers for the Red Alliance. In this near launch zone for the Red Alliance is the Royal Robots, who has been joined by Infinibots for the Blue Alliance. As we conclude the autonomous period, we have about
Drivers,
a 40-point lead by the Blue Alliance. And we are off. These teams have a choice to make.
1.
They have to decide what they're going to do. Are they going to empty those ramps, or how are they going to go? It seems that the blue team has made their choice clear, with Infinibots cycling those artifacts, launching them right in, and then going back to get them one more time. Their teammate Infrared is trying to do the same thing, except from the far zone, with some heavy defense from Dahlia Engineers. In this near launch zone, the Royal Robots are unimpeded as they try to empty their ramp and prepare to launch more artifacts into that ramp as well. With about a minute left in gameplay, Infrared seems to be struggling to find their aim, but their teammates are doing their parts, Infinibots, to keep them in the lead. Finally finding their aim, both sides of the Alliance are scoring, with Dahlia Engineers also doing the same, finding their aim and shooting their shot from that far launch zone. Their teammates, Royal Robots, clearing that ramp one more time with just about 30 seconds left on the clock. They have to decide, are they going to try to keep their artifacts in sequence with this pattern? It looks like that is not the case. We have now entered endgame with some rough shooting from Infinibots. Their teammates, Infrared, makes up the difference as Dahlia Engineers and Royal Robots are doing their best to try to narrow the Blue Alliance's lead. It appears that at the end
With this, the Blue Alliance take the victory with a score of 246 to 157. This will push 22-297 up to the number 2 position from the number 3. Those 5